Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Andy.
Andy, very good. Andy, tell me please, how old are you?
I'm four.
4. And where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Vietnam. Very good. Are you ready to start?
Yeah.
High five. Let's go. Bam, bam. Talking about family today. Who is this?
Mommy.
This is my mommy.
This is my daddy.
Okay, who is this?
This is my daddy.
Who is this?
This is my sister.
Very good. Who is this? Wait.
This is my brother.
Wonderful.
This is my grandpa.
Grandma.
This is my grandpa.
Grandpa.
This is my uncle.
Uncle, very good.
This is my aunt.
Aunt. And who is the last
This
one?
is my
Car.
cousin.
Cousin, good job. Okay, now let's play a game. I put some flashcards over here. And when I say, okay, all right. Find me. Where is an ear? What is it?
Ear.
Good. Where is it? A doll. Doll. What is it?
Doll.
Doll. Okay. Where's a desk? What is it?
Dutch.
Desk. Where's a candy? What is it?
Candy.
Where is a car? What is it?
Car.
And what is the last one?
Bird.
Bird. Okay. One more round. One more round.
The
Boom, boom, boom. Okay. You ready? Okay, where is an arm?
arm.
Okay. Where's a bear?
Bear.
Be careful. Where's a frog?
Frog.
Frog. Machut. Okay. Where's a feather?
Feather.
Where's an elephant?
Elephant.
And what is the last one?
Baby.
Baby. Okay, Andy, goodbye.
Right, teacher.
Oh, let me see your hand.